Taylor Swift is one of the most influential singers in the contemporary music scene. Her net worth is estimated at $365 million, making her one of the wealthiest music celebrities in the world. She has achieved such success by writing and releasing a number of chart-topping singles over her career. Her hits include Shake It Off and Love Story. Swift also makes her money through touring and endorsements. She has released 6 studio albums, and was the highest-grossing female artist in the US in 2018, bringing in over $500 million in earnings. Swift has been a successful artist since she was a teenager. She signed with Big Machine Records in 2007. At the age of 16, her self-titled debut album was released that year, with 4 of its singles reaching the top 10 on the US Billboard Hot 100. Her success continued with the release of her sophomore album, Fearless, in 2008 and the extended edition, Fearless Platinum Edition, in 2009. The album earned Swift 4 Grammy Awards, including Album of the Year. She is the only female artist to do so. Swift released her 3rd album, Speak Now, in 2010, followed by Red in 2012. Both of the albums were massive hits and certified multi-platinum in multiple countries. Her success did not stop in subsequent years. She released 3 more albums between 2014 and 2017, which sold more than 10 million copies in the US alone, and also topped global music charts. All of these factors have contributed to Swift's astronomical net worth. She regularly plays sold-out stadium tours and secures lucrative endorsements from various brands. Apart from making money from music and tours, Swift also makes a significant income from merchandising. She earns royalties from her master recordings, and also from her partnerships with streaming services such as Spotify and Apple Music. Swift also owns a stake in Big Machine Records, the label for which she remains signed. This has helped to further increase her net worth. Swift also derives income through investments in the stock market, real estate, and technology companies. She has invested in companies such as Apple, Bank of America, and Yahoo. By diversifying her investments, Swift is able to maximize her net worth. Swift is no stranger to philanthropy. She makes frequent donations to charity, and has also established her own charitable organizations. Her most notable charitable effort is the Taylor Swift Education Center, which provides music education and performances for people in Tennessee. By leveraging her success in various ways, Taylor Swift has been able to amass a net worth of $365 million. Her success is a testament to her amazing talent as a musician and her dedication to her craft. She is a great role model for young people who dream of achieving success and becoming wealthy. Swift's wealth is sure to continue to grow in the future, as she continues to break barriers in the music industry. She recently sold the master recordings of her first 6 albums to Scooter Braun and is currently working on new music. Her new albums are likely to be as successful as her past ones and will create an even more impressive net worth for her. Furthermore, Swift has been increasingly involved in the business side of music. In addition to leading her own record label and signing acts such as Haim, she is also involved in a frontline management venture with Idol X Management and music publishing company Songs of Wonderland.